Okay, this video is to show division using the standard algorithm with 2 by 1 digit numbers with no remainders. Our problem that we're going to start with today is 91 dividing by 7. In class today, we have talked about how to go through the steps of division with writing these letters of dividing, multiplying, subtracting, bringing down, and repeating. The students know that to remember these letters, it's dad, mom, sister, brother, Rover. And this is one of the first steps they have to write down. This will pretty much guide them through the whole process. The next part of this equation that they need to work on is skip counting by the divisor, the outside number, over here to kind of help them just know their 7 times tables and a little less work. So we'll start with 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and 49, just to get them going. And normally tell them 6 to 7 numbers deep. That way they don't have to think about it while they're doing the problem. Next up is that they know if there's one number on the outside, we are only concerned with the first number on the inside. So we can use a finger or cover up the second digit of 91 just to make it look like 7 is going to go into 9. So the first thing we're going to look at is we're going to divide. How many times does 7 go into 9, or how many groups of 7 can fit inside a group of 9? We can only do that once if we look at our list. So we're going to put a 1 up top and put a mini multiplication sign. Our next step is to multiply. 1 times 7 is 7. Line that up on the bottom. After that, we subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. From there, our next letter, B, stands for bring down. We're going to move the post-it, and we're going to bring down the 1 right next to the 2, and that is 21. R stands for repeat, and also draw an arrow with what we have left. We have 7 going into 21 now. If we look over on our list, we can count by 3 to land exactly on 21, so our 3 will go up on top of the other 1. We just divided. Next step is going to be multiply. We're going to just multiply the 3 by the 7 because we've already worked with the 1, so 3 times 7 is 21. Next step is to subtract. 21 minus 21 is 0. I also tell the students to keep going. We look at the B to bring down. There's nothing to bring down. And since we started with a 2-digit number, we're going to subtract twice. Anything that we have left over is just going to be our remainder, and this problem has no remainder. So our answer will be 13. After we get our answer for our problem, we are going to be working with checking our answer. We are going to be 13 times 7. And I've been telling the students on the side to write check. We're going to do 7 times 3 is 21. Put the 1 here plus the 2. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9. So our answer matches what we started with of 91 and 91. So our answer of 91 divided by 7 is 13.